Hey Spartans, you made the requests on assistance with writing emails, and so we are going to answer it with a brief 10-step tutorial on how to write an email, just in case you don't already know how to. So what I've done here is I've opened my email, mainly so you can't see it, and it pops up with usually a smaller window than this. If you follow my mouse here, see if I can annotate for you. There are two arrows facing each other, and that's what I clicked to expand it, and notice that they're pointing to each other now. So if I wanted to go smaller, I could do that. But step one, you've got to collect your teacher's email. It can be found on the district website if you go to the Seven Oak Middle School page and then you look for the staff pages. There's usually a list at every school that you'll attend that has all teacher emails on it, including when you go on to college, you'll find a list of your professor's contact emails as well. So okay, we'll go Steiner. Okay, because there's not many Steiners. You can type her last name and it will automatically pop up there, okay? So we click that and we'll pretend that this is the teacher we're going to email. Okay, step two, you need to come up with a subject. This is not the spot where you write your email to your teacher and it's like paragraph of information, because it won't actually show up in the window when the teacher looks at it. So you want a short, simple subject. We'll start with locker room clean out, since that is the hot topic going on right now. So if Miss Steiner is super busy with other emails, she'll know to look for locker clean out and say, do I want to answer this email right now, or do I need to prioritize it and put something else in front of it? So hopefully she'll look at this because it's such a hot topic right now and read this email, okay? Then you need to address the teacher, not with dear teacher, okay? Make sure you include their title. Dear Miss or Mr. or Mrs., depending on the teacher, Steiner. Okay, and it looks like I put an extra comma in there. Dear Miss Steiner. Step 4, begin explaining your message. This is a test email, but also I would like to apologize that I will not be able to join you for locker room clean out. I wish I could miss seeing your amazing face. Okay, so there is my message. I also then need to make sure that I am specific in my message. I give examples when necessary. So perhaps you have a question on an email, on an assignment. This is the point where you spend a couple sentences explaining why you're struggling to your teacher. And then the best thing you can do is end with a question. Is there anything you need help with this week? Okay. Finally, step 6, you need to thank your teacher, say goodbye, and put a proper closing. Thank you for tackling the locker room project. I hope you're having a great Monday. Then end. So most people do a sincerely or just a simple thank you with your name. Okay, but one thing I've done in my settings is I've preset my goodbyes. So in this difficult time, I already have an automated goodbye that says, remember, we are all in this together, Spartans. Then it has my first and last name, and because I myself am a teacher, I've put the topics that I teach and where I teach, just in case a parent receives this email and isn't sure what school it came from, as many of our school emails have the same title and they don't directly identify which school they're coming from. So My signature is right there, just like I would for writing a letter. And then step 8, I need to review my message. It looks like there's a blue squiggly line here. This tells me that there is a grammatical error or a spelling error. Okay, my words are just a little out of order. Wish I could. Okay, I wish I could. Miss seeing you. Okay, I've also read it out loud. It doesn't quite make sense, so I'm going to change that to a comma and then a period. I wish I could. Pause. I miss seeing your amazing face! Exclamation mark. There we go. I've now reviewed my email. Checking the address. Yes, this is the teacher that I want to send this to. Okay, and then click send. But then I think, oh, I should send this to Evans too. Okay, so I could send it to multiple people by clicking next to theirs and adding that. But down here, it says that I'm sending this to Miss Steiner. So we'll just say wellness team. This is a test email, but also I would like to apologize that I'll not be able to join you for the locker room clean out. I wish I could. I miss seeing your amazing faces. Is there anything you need help with this week? Thank you for tackling the locker room project. I hope you're having a great Monday. Remember, we're all in this together. Mrs. May.